Yeah.
Okay. Me and my friend, we were filming right next to the forest. We started hearing these strange noises. It sounds like it's coming from the forest, but I've lived here my entire life and I've never heard these noises before. Kind of disturbing. Yeah, we've been hearing these noises for almost an hour now. We have no idea where they're coming from. It could be anything. So we're gonna investigate closer.
Well, Eskil just went off for a leak, so he's not here right now. And oh my God, Eskil, it's an alien! Oh my God, Eskil?
Yeah, hi.
Oh, you're back.
Yeah, I was just gone for a couple of seconds, so it's okay.
Oh right, you're right.
Is that an alien plane? It could be.
It could be.
It's flying right above us. Yeah, we've been out for a while now, and we still haven't figured out where the noise is coming from. So you could... Shit! What the hell? Oh my God! Okay, you may not believe us, but you have to believe my grandmother. You heard the noises, right? Yes. Well, there you have it. Even my grandmother heard it.